The power of moments. What takes celebrations to the next level? What differentiates one experience from another? I believe it's all in the details, and it's all about the incredible moments that tie to the people that are being celebrated at whatever event that you do. We're here on site at the Park Loft, and I'm getting ready to get together and get things underway for an incredible couple celebrating their wedding celebration today. They're here along with 170 plus of their closest family and friends. It's been a complex event to throw. Everyone's got their 2 cents. Everyone wants something different out of the experience. People are in different age groups, places in life, and just have different tastes. We as DJs have to navigate this, and we need to do it effortlessly, and we need to do it with swag, with style, and with finesse. So what am I gonna do that's different than what you would do if you were in the same situation? And chances are there's a lot of similarities in the music that's gonna be played from the wedding I'm gonna play tonight and the wedding that you're gonna play tomorrow night. There's a lot of similarities. Chances are you're gonna play the same exact tracks. It's not just how you play it or what edit you play. I think the true defining thing that differentiates one wedding from another is the experience, and the experience that ties to the couple that's being celebrated. If you can make people feel a certain way, I think you increase the likelihood of being remembered long after the music ends. I think if you could take a right turn or a left turn and bring people back to those moments in life that they have either been part of with that couple, or that make people feel incredibly special, tied to the moment, or emotional in some way, shape, or form, I believe you're on your way to differentiating yourself from anyone that's just gonna come in, rock the floor, and call it a day at the end of the night. So what are some things that you can do to differentiate your experiences? Yes, build the music around the couple. Understand and take the time to understand who they are, what they're about, what makes them them, and what they're into. Try to learn about their friend circle, their parents, and their extended family and friends that are gonna be attending. Now, you're not going to be able to know everyone that's at the room, but you can do some homework and you can ask questions to learn about the expectations, the vibe, and their opinion on what they think will work for their room. In addition to that, you can use moments like introductions to ultra personalize the experience, to be impressionable on the people, to make people get excited, to make people feel something special. You can lean in on moments like a special dance, a father-daughter dance, a mother-son dance, or even the first dance, to use music and some gentle storytelling to be the catalyst to inspire someone to feel a certain way or to be emotional at a given point of time. You can use technology like dancing on the clouds, like spark fountains, or even like lighting to create moments that are impactful. You can use talent like live musicians to create experiences that are different from others. And whether it be a feature moment during dinner or whether it be a high energy performer that's on the dance floor vibing with the family and friends while you're playing whatever it is that you're going to be playing, these items, these services, these experiences are impactful. You can honor the parents and their long-lasting marriage, should they be in a long-lasting marriage. You can honor grandparents. You can honor other family members. You can celebrate other moments that align with the couple and their vision for that day. You can incorporate culture. You can incorporate things that they are tied to or things that they enjoy doing. There are so many things that you can do. The point of this is to inspire thought and encourage you to make your world special, impactful, and different by using your ninja skills, your superpowers, and leaning on things that can be impressionable and impactful on the people that are in front of you each and every time you work. When you do this, you'll find that your phone will always be consistently ringing. When you do this, you'll find that people will talk about you after the wedding ends. When you do this, you'll find your Instagram following count increase every time you do an event. When you do this, you'll feel fulfilled and you'll feel like you did a great job, and people will come up and praise you at the end of the celebration, giving you opportunities for content and for things that you can do in the future to make your world better. This is something that you kind of have to spend some time doing. You need to practice, you need to refine, and you need to always be a student of culture, of your celebrations, and of the results that are being materialized at your events. So Don't expect to come out of the gate and do all of this stuff. Start with something small. Start with evolving something, an idea, a concept, a way of doing things, and try to expand on it every time you do an event, when it's possible, wherever it's possible. These tips will hopefully help you differentiate yourself and your service without talking about gear, without just packing the dance floor, without doing things that anyone else can do. Differentiate yourself using the things that make you uniquely and authentically you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'd love to hear from you. What do you do to differentiate yourself and your business from others in your area? I'd love to hear from you, and be kind. No shade, no hurtful stuff. All positive and constructive thoughts, ideas, and concepts are welcomed in the comments of this video, and I'll see you guys there. I love to read the comments. I'm doing my best to respond to everyone and anyone that takes the time to support me in this channel, and I just appreciate you sticking with me here today. Thanks for watching this.